Denmark has taken a decisive step toward rebuilding its military self-reliance by partnering with Norwegian defense firm Nammo to restart domestic ammunition production. Under the newly signed agreement, the Elling facility will be revitalized, and the Danish government will acquire a 15% stake in Nammo Denmark A.S. to ensure long-term supply chain resilience. With support from the Acceleration Fund, we've secured a deal with Nammo and can now launch construction and start production in Denmark, said Defense Minister Troels Lund Poulsen. He emphasized that this move is a direct response to the escalating demands of national and regional security. The selection of Nammo AS as the project lead came in February 2025, when the Defense Agreement Coalition chose the company to re-establish ammunition production capabilities within Denmark. By June, negotiations between the Ministry of Defence's Material and Procurement Agency, FMI, and Nammo were finalized, detailing the responsibilities and milestones for starting production. Nammo CEO Morten Brand Sieg underscored the broader significance of the initiative, calling it a key element of Nordic defense collaboration. This is about ensuring supply reliability and investing in the future. Nammo is committing substantial resources to this project, which will bring both jobs and economic benefits. The Elling facility will produce a variety of munitions, including 155mm and 120mm artillery shells, as well as 5.56mm and 7.62mm caliber cartridges. Manufacturing is projected to begin in the latter half of 2027. Morten Bodskov, Minister for Industry, Business and Financial Affairs, hailed the agreement as a leap forward in both defense readiness and industrial development. Working with an experienced partner like Nammo, Denmark is significantly enhancing its autonomy in military logistics. This is a win for our armed forces and a boost to our national defense economy. FMI Chief Lieutenant General Per Pugholm Olsen echoed these sentiments, highlighting the strategic dimension of the venture. This factory and our investment in Nammo Denmark A.S. represent an essential element of Denmark's industrial mobilization, a trend mirrored across the Nordic region. However, the development is not without local impact. Safety protocols will require the creation of a larger buffer zone around the facility, possibly leading to compulsory land acquisitions if voluntary arrangements with property owners cannot be achieved. In anticipation of concerns, Defense Minister Poulsen hosted a public forum to engage directly with nearby residents. It's vital that those living close to the site understand what this development entails, Poulsen said. This marks a significant turning point for Denmark's military logistics, reducing foreign dependency and strengthening operational effectiveness, but it must be implemented with full regard for local communities. Approximately DKK 8.6 billion from the Acceleration Fund is earmarked for this initiative within the current defense agreement timeline, funding both the re-establishment of national ammunition production and the replenishment of Denmark's depleted munitions reserves. ChatGPT